teacher. My name is Kerem Erdem. I'm software engineering third class student. Now let's begin to LAB1 homework. This is the Omnet++ menu, and to open the lab we need to first open the iNet 4.5. Let's open it, and after that we need to open tutorials from this menu, and after that the down one configurator. Now let's go to Omnet PP. These are the steps. This is the simulation in a. You need to open with text editor to see the codes, and this is its general description, the beginning of the code, the abstract, and there are steps of this homework. Step 1, step 2, that goes to step 6 at this lab, but you gave 4 to 6 to us, but we need to look to first step 1, 2 and 3 to understand the road, the beginning. Now step 1 says that it's about fully automatic IP address assignment. For step 2, it's about manually overriding individual IP addresses. And for step 3, it's more about assigning IP address to subnet from a given range. It's about the range. And for step 4, it's more about automatic static routing table configuration. It's more about optimization. It's now to look step 5a. It's about route to a specific host, and for 5b it's not a specific, it's about a set of hosts. For 6a it's about using data rate metric with different metric for automatic table configurations. And at 6b it's more about specifying link cost. It's about costs. Now there are more steps, but 6b is our last step for lab, so we need to look and run the simulation to see the steps. It's opening. Now let's select step 4 firstly to see how it works. We click OK to look. Now let's close the menu to see. Now here are the routers and ethics. So let's run it. It's running. Now let's stop it. Now this is the events and their times and their protocol numbers, their infos. The main information about the steps are writing in this table, and when we change it, it's all about the all events. For example, event 33, it's their time, it's their configuration, the router's IP, the ID's number, the ping, all of the infos are written in here. For example, it's LANs. This is the main thing. Now let's close it to see the other steps. Finish the simulation. Again, run as Omnet simulation. Now let's look to step 6b, the end of the steps. Now let's close this below menu. Yes, let's run it. It's running. As you can see, the Ethernet signal is going. Now let's stop it. let's look to below menu again. As you can see, the same IDs, the configurations routers, the ID is important. 323 for example, and the packet is 368. It's important, and when we switch the host, the routers, as you can see, they are times, updates, LANs are the same. Their protocols, they're more info, and that's the end of the 6B. To finish the lab, it's the all steps 4 to 6B. We look to codes together, we look to steps, we look to their more info such as LANs, updates, and signals, and simulation. So that's all for lab 6B. Thank you very much. Let's finish this.